Okay, so I have this 2006 RAV4 here, and as you can see, it's in really good tip-top shape. It's ready to go right now. But I got the head back from the machine shop, so it's time to get all this put back together, man. I got all the parts right there. I'm gonna try and knock this out today because I got somebody that needs the car, and honestly, this car's just been pissing me off that it's been sitting here for too long, so I gotta get it back up and running. Alright, so let's get her on there. Let's get it going, ladies and gentlemen. These will be some memories. Those are the messed up valves. There's the bad boy right there. Alright, so I'm going to take the camshafts off so I can go ahead and get those head bolts in. Now let's put those head bolts in, man. Let's see what size this is. M12, that's the one. There's a 0% chance that we're gonna get an accurate torque spec like this, but we're doing it anyway. So it slipped my mind, and I realize now that I got to clean the head very well before putting it back on. There's oil on there. There's like machine oil on there, and I just kind of skimmed past that. So I took out all the head bolts. I'm gonna take it out, clean it, and put it back in. Let's do it. There we go. Yeah, look at all that freaking machine oil, dude. That would have been great. I would have had to take the head off again. Alright, so 52 foot-pounds and then 90 degrees. Let's go around first.
Yeah, I don't trust none of those things. I don't trust none of those torque wrenches, bro. I'm telling you. Nah, put yours on it. I don't trust that.
You're getting scared?
Yeah, I don't like that, bro. You don't want to break a stud or fucking.
It'll sit for another 2 weeks. Fuck it.
What is this from?
Scratching yourself here?
No, it's from the car, right?
Probably is.
Weird. What's on here?
What?
Something got me.
No, this is, I mean, shit, oil, rust, who knows. Where's
Crazy,
the,
bro.
where'd I put the fucking thing?
I saw it. It's in your hand.
Oh, it's right there, bro. Tip it.
Something. I got some sort of allergy there to something. You have any type of brake clean on here or something?
No.
Weird. Look at that.
Yeah, but it looks like you just scratch yourself a little bit, very lightly.
With what though, huh?
With anything. If you'd like touch the metal like that.
It's itchy though. Fucking weird. What brand is that?
EP Auto. There we go.
Either green more than that?
Yeah. But look.
But 90 degrees?
90 degrees is a lot.
Why did they just tell you a certain foot-pounds?
I know, bro.
What the fuck, bro?
Because I guess it's, you got to get the foot-pounds, and then you got to stretch the bolt. So I don't know. Let's go another quarter
You're supposed
turn
to
now.
use new studs too.
Yeah,
the stock
but
won't
they didn't go
stretch.
through heat cycles. No, I did use new ones.
Okay,
Yeah,
gotcha.
yeah.
90 degrees. You gotta
So,
end up over here.
Yeah, all the way to you.
That's wild.
That's it. That's enough. All right, so the head is on. It's torqued. Nothing broke. Thank the Lord. Now, it's time to get the camshafts back in. Time to scrape off all that silicone. I got this and this gasket remover, solvent remover. I don't really need it right now. This is, you know, it's a little dirty, but everything's flat. It's gonna be good enough to put back on. But I want to try it, so I'm gonna see how good it works. I'm gonna put the desolvent on the right side. And then the Permatex on the left.
What's up?
Yo, what's good, bro? My fault. Not again. It was good, Evan. So I don't know how long it's been, but let's pretend it's been 15 minutes. And let's see. This one, I mean, does something, but really just softens it up. So basically nothing. Now what about this one? Also nothing. This shit is not worth it. Thank God I didn't need it. Okay, so this one, actually once you get the scraper to it after, it does work pretty well. One more time. So let's put this chain on. Hey, my daughter's home. Put this back on. Just goes right there. Forgot to record, put silicone all over the housing right there and on the bottom of the oil pan, and we're going on right now. That is literally the hardest part of this entire job. That idler pulley there. Hardest part. So now let's go ahead and install this tensioner. Just drop it in there. Might have to lift up the engine. Alright, so that's tensioner in. Not much left, to be honest. Now we're gonna get that intake manifold in. Last nut. Give me that fucking socket back. So those are the wrong screws. These are the correct ones for the heat shield. I'm so smart. Oh before putting that valve cover on, let's fill her up with oil. Time for spark plugs. Ignition coil time. Yo sé que fui yo. Yo también soy mano trapo, ya te lo dije. Y no tengo miedo de lo que soy. The moment of truth. Everything's ready. Coolant is in and around the engine. The battery is plugged in. Battery pack is here. Let's see. We're gonna find out if I fucked up or not. No.
Ah, no, yo con el pie malo que tengo, chica, no puedo casi caminar con ese pie. Yo tengo todo malo. Sí, en serio. Tengo muchos problemas. Are you ready?
Yep. Going.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Fuel.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sounds way better. Listen to it.
Yeah.
Little leak though. Oh yeah, la diferencia completa. Crazy. Look how butter smooth.
Yeah.
That what you hear is a little exhaust leak.
An exhaust leak?
Yeah. That header leak. That's an exhaust. That's a header leak.
Oh.
Yeah, 100%.
You would feel it.
No, you wouldn't feel it. That's an exhaust leak.
Right here.
Oh, humo por el aceite que estaba arriba de los cilindros.
Sí.
Yeah, you have an exhaust leak. The motor sounds crisp.
Yeah.
Exhaust leak.
I can feel it right here.
Yeah, 100%. Get a new gas. It's a
Let's go!
It's a